co-stars in real life?
यार अभी सब बोल चुके हैं अभी
नहीं उनको छोड़ो, आप फिर आप बताओ, बाकी से पूछूंगा।
अभी बहुत सिमिलर चीजें हैं एक्चुअली। It sounds boring when I say it, but you know what I really like about Jaideep is he has this ability where he takes feedback very well. तो मैं ये कभी सीन करते थे और मैं बोलता था ऐसे मत करो, थोड़ा ये ऐसे ट्राई कर लो, and he used to say very good suggestion. तो he's very talented, but he's very open to feedback. And I think Saif is somebody who's very gracious, especially when it comes to me landing a couple of extra punches. He was very gracious about taking them. So he's a very gracious co-star, and very generous as a co-star as well, which is very rare in our industry, where you don't, where everyone's trying to actually hog the limelight. But you know, he's he's somebody who's very fair, and you know, he's thinking about the film. But Nikita, you know, we didn't get a chance to really work together because, we've not worked in the film at all because मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है वो हिंदी फिल्म 80s की हिंदी फिल्म जो होती है ना, उस तरह का कॉप है जो 5 मिनट बाद हमेशा पहुंचता है। तो जब वारदात हो जाती है, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है, तब वो पहुंचता है। So we actually don't have any work together, but you know, I really enjoy chatting with her. She's incredibly smart. We've had some great conversations, and you know, I've really enjoyed my time just hanging out on set whenever we had a chance.
I'm glad you criticized the music, but that's great.
Criticized which music?
My playlist.
Okay, so I just want to ask you, if you had an Instagram account or your character had an Instagram account, what would be the name of the handle?
My character had an Instagram account. It would be called.
No, it will be. No, come on.
I'd be something to do with
बनाया तो होगा.
Diamonds or jewelry or some kind of. Call me for stealing. I don't know what something. He definitely. I think. Do you think a thief, international thief, should have an Instagram account? Like, hey.
Sir, 2025 में तो होना चाहिए. और in fact आपको reels भी बनानी चाहिए.
This is my house and please any.
Let's not talk about
any theft. I can be reached at this number.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's a really good idea for a thief, international jewel thief, to have an Instagram account. No. You're not going to ask me what I want to steal from my co-star.
Please, I will.
I want to steal Jaideep Rawat's feminine charm, graceful, Nikita's manly laugh. Because I wish I had a slightly more. You have to hear her laugh. And
I really didn't expect that coming. I thought you said something nice.
Aaj kuch to aaj.
Not all going to see me laughing in the film. Saving grace.
And I wouldn't mind being as tall as Kunal.
What about the person who's sitting right next to you here, Siddhartha?
Stealing from
him.
I don't have to steal from him. He gives me.
Wow.
He gives me.
Fantastic.
Always given me.
So sweet. Jaideep, I wanted to ask you, and this is going to be the last question. एक ऐसी चीज जो हम में से किसी को नहीं पता और आप चाहेंगे कि हमें बताएं, कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो आप चाहते हैं दुनिया को पता लगे आपके बारे में, जो अभी तक नहीं मालूम.
नहीं चाहता वैसे.
एक जैसे डांस तो आपने छुपा के रखा था, हमें पता लगा. कोई एक ऐसी
आपको भी पता चला, जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं वो सालों से जानते हैं.
पर आपके फैंस को भी पता लगा और जरा खुश रहिए आपको उस रूप में देखकर.
उनके लिए नया है. बाकी पता नहीं, मैं घर खरीदने वाला हूँ. Is that I'm planning to buy a house. Is that new to everyone? किसी को नहीं पता अभी.
Just don't give your address out.
No, I'm just saying. I don't know what to say.
जूल थीफ के लॉन्च पे आप बोल रहे हो आप घर खरीद रहे हो. वेरी
बात तो ठीक है, अच्छी बात.
आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा मैं क्या क्या चुरा सकता हूँ.
सर अभी आएंगे एंड में. अच्छा, इसमें आएंगे. तो पहले तो यही हो गया कि भाई खबर आपको दे दी हमने और अब फाइल बताइए इनसे क्या आप चुराना चाहते हैं. अरे नहीं, आपने बोला
हरियाणा में प्रॉपर्टी है पटौड़ी पैलेस. अच्छी है, मैंने देखी, बहुत कमाल की.
ठीक है.
सिद्धार्थ सर चलिए आपसे. हाँ, निकिता से उसकी एक्चुअली बहुत एनर्जेटिक है वो. शी इज ऑलवेज हैप्पी. I sometimes envy that. Like she's always charming, happy, zone, and yes, let's do something.
See, that's how you appreciate a laugh.
Yeah. So I kind of think how
Just joking, yeah.
So arithmetic every
Ahead of the curve, you've been the early adapter of the, this whole OTT trend. मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा था सर, सच्ची जवाब दीजिएगा. आपको भी Netflix का सब्सक्रिप्शन देना पड़ता है या आपको फ्री मिल रहा है?
नहीं, मुझे भी देना पड़ता है.
आपको देना पड़ता है. अच्छा, I was
490.
मैं तो
It's lesser. It's more
He
expensive.
gets a discount?
I get a discount.
Actually, even I pay more.
It's not the number. I pay
Sorry.
more value. Yeah, money.
नहीं, वैल्यू है, पूरी है. वो तो मेरे को लगा था कि अब तक तो जयदीप जी और सैफ को तो अकाउंट परमानेंटली फ्री दे दिया होगा. नहीं ऐसा?
No amazing.
फिर ठीक है.
Everybody pays.
Everybody pays. Then it's fine. So I just
Some people pay less. I mean, just you're paying a little more.
But sir, I just want to check with you, because you, as I said, you've been ahead of the curve. Could you share with us when you see things around? What are the Gen Z trends which you think will now?
Also, your earlier question. If a friend owns a restaurant, I don't like going there for free meals. I think friends should pay. And I don't like taking advantage of things like that. So.
मैं आप कल से तेरे साथ पासवर्ड शेयर नहीं करूँगा अपना. बस.
What about Gen Z?
So I wanted to know. I just wanted to know. You've got young kids. क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है सर? कुछ है अंदाजा कि क्या हो रहा है Gen Z की दुनिया में?
नहीं, I don't know. Hopefully the makers know. Hopefully the platform knows. We're actors. When we get an offer, hopefully it comes from a space where people have done a little thinking about what kind of films they should be made. And we're lucky, we get lots of different types of offers. And hopefully the offer is based on some kind of knowledge.
Fair enough.
I think producers should know this, even more than actors. And yeah, I mean, I am in touch with, but it's very difficult to predict trends. I think if you follow yourself, right, if you do something really big, I'll tell you about clothes, for example. I feel I've had a sense of fashion because it's what I believe in my heart. So I think if you strongly feel something, then chances are people will agree with you. But if you try and imagine what somebody else would want, you'll fail because it's impossible to do that. But since we're all quite similar, if you really try and please yourself, and hopefully a lot of people will agree with you. Does that answer your question?
It does, sir. It does. And I have to, because you spoke about fashion, I think you've been very timeless. And even in that, you've been ahead of the curve, I must say that. सिद्धार्थ सर, आपसे पूछा था कि आप तो सर के साथ काफी समय से काम करते हैं. तारा रामबम, सलाम नमस्ते. And now, has anything changed in him? Be honest.
He's
So it's not the first time we've been asked this question, so we're...
but I want to give an insight. He's grown, wider and taller. Yeah, those are the only two adjectives.
Emotionally or?
Is it
Physically, as you can see.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
नहीं, और भी कुछ चीजें बताएं सर.
4 inches?
Same है. I think he is lovable. He is somebody who's a darling on set. He makes everybody comfortable. And I'm glad कि जो भी change हुआ, ये quality change नहीं हुई है. He makes everybody really comfortable, eases out everybody. Sometimes his jokes scare some people. His sense of humor is such. But he's amazing, and that's something that he shouldn't change.
So you said not much has changed. Can I humbly ask you, what is that one thing you would like to change in him?
I say it. That he should be on time.
सर आज तो सबसे पहले आए होते.
Tell us.
I think he has changed it, if I may.
Why?
I mean, he was mostly
Which
on-
shooting day he changed?
Huh?
Because I am...
You're on time. That's what I'm saying. He's kind of changed. Maybe you let us have control the thing, you're not there at time, but he actually was mostly on time. Really. I have to give it. Be honest on stage.
Thank you.
एडिट कर देना ये वाला.
Love you, Samson! Love you, Samson!
Bless you all, my children.
These children, please stand up in the crowd.
No, they are...
नहीं
Oh, दो बच्चे हैं.
Control.
All cheers, pick up your checks outside.
आपने चेक की बात करी, 3 ये भी खड़े हो गए.
And Bhai, of course, the fitness, the voice, everything, yeah, looks great. And
All right, thank you very much. I just thought because the fans are here, you all are here, let's kind of make it very special, sir. आप तो नहीं है Instagram पे, हम लोग हैं sir, हम डाल लेते हैं sir, एक selfie to capture this beautiful
My
moment.
pictures are on Instagram.
No, I know that sir. मैं अपने लिए कर रहा हूँ sir. So can I request you all to please let's take a picture together. Can I humbly request you all to please and यार मेरा phone ले आओ यार कितने all. Okay, let's.